Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Lenz formula, class 12 physics, ray optics. Lenz formula. We have taken a thin lens. This one, and its optical center is C. An object is placed beyond focus. And its real image is formed at A dash B dash. Its real image, AB is the object, its real image is A dash B dash. Now our aim is to find the formula for Lenz formula. Now you see, we are getting two triangles, A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C. These are similar because you see, this angle 90 degree, this is vertical opposite angle similarity. So triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash, B dash, C. Then what we will get? Their ratio of sides will be equal. So AB by A dash B dash, AB by A dash B dash equal to BC by B dash C. Equation 1. Again you see, triangle FCD, FB dash, A dash. Similar, triangle FCD similar to triangle FB dash, A dash. So again the ratio will be same, and DC by A dash B dash equal to FC by FB dash. Now you see, DC and AB are same because these two are parallel lines. So vertical distance will be same, and due to which we replace DC by AB. DC is replaced by AB. AB by A dash B dash equal to FC by FB dash. FC by FB dash. Now from equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? Left side equal, these two. So right side will be equal. Then from equation 1 and 2 we get what we get? BC by B dash C equal to FC by FB dash. But according to sign convention, all distances should be measured from optical center. So this should be related to C. This is related to C, this is C, but this is not C. So you relate with C. So BC by B dash C equal to FC by FB dash. FB dash means B dash C minus FC. use the sign convention. BC means BC, that means object distance, U. This is your U. But this is left side, so minus U. B dash C, this is your V. This is V. So by V, right side, so positive. And FC. FC is focal length, so right side F. By B dash C, V minus F. Now take cross multiplication. I write this. Take cross multiplication. What we are getting? This into this, that means ki minus UV plus UF equal to VF. You take UF, this is taken left side, VF, this is taken right side, UV divided by UVF. Divide both sides by UVF. UF by UVF minus VF by UVF equal to UV by UVF. So cancel. This is 1 by V. This is 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is the length formula. This is the length formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Very simple. You have to show similar triangles at C and at F. At C, ABC and A dash B dash C. And from this you get a relation. And at F, DCF, A dash B dash F. Similar. From this we have get another relation. And then replace this by this. We will get this one. And then according to sign convention, all distances should be measured from C. So we relate this with C. Then put the value, respective values. Then we will getting the, we have got this relation. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now linear magnification in case of lens. Linear magnification. Linear that means this is the ratio of size of image to the size of object. That means this is the ratio of height of image to the height of object, and this is denoted by M. So M equal to, if this is denoted by H1 and this is H2, then this is H2 by H1. Height of image by height of object. Now you see, these two triangles are similar. Now triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash B dash C. So AB by A dash B dash equal to BC by B dash C. And what is AB? AB is H1, A dash B dash is H2, BC is minus U, this is V, this is minus H2, because according to sign convention below the principal axis is taken as negative, so minus. So what we are getting, h2 by h1 equal to v by u. But from this, therefore from 1 and 2 what we can write, therefore m equal to h2 by h1 equal to v by u. M positive means virtual image, M negative means real image. Okay, M greater than 1 means bigger size of image, M less than 1 smaller size image. M positive means virtual image in case of lens and in case of mirror. M negative means real image in case of lens and mirror, both cases. Okay, now we are going to power of lens. Power. This is the ability of a lens to convert the beam of light which is falling in it. It is the ability of the lens to convert the beam of light falling on the lens. And how it is expressed? It is expressed as P, and P is the reciprocal of focal length. P is the reciprocal of focal length. So P equal to 1 by F. P is 1 by F, but F should be in meter. F should be in meter. So what is the power of lens? The power of lens is, what is the unit of the power of lens? Unit of power of lens. Unit of power of lens is diopter. D-I-O-P-T-R-E. Diopter. Diopter D से डिनोट करता है. D. What is one diopter? The power of a lens is called one diopter if its focal length is 1 meter. If the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then its power will be 1 diopter. Now combination of lenses. Combination of lenses. I am having this. Combination of lenses. Suppose two lenses are placed side by side. Lens L1, lens L2. C1, C2, center of a optical center. Suppose a point object is placed here. Suppose a point object is placed here. So one ray is moving straight and another ray say fall on it, and then it will move like this, and if this lens is not present, it will move straight and say meet at this point. So this is I dash. So the image of the object O for first length is I dash. But due to second lens, again it will bend, and due to which, say, image is formed at this. Suppose its focal length is f1 and its focal length is f2. So for first lens, what we can say? 1 by f1 equal to 1 by v. V means from this to this is v dash. So this is v dash. 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the image distance for the first lens. This one. And for second lens, we can consider this is an object and its image is here, this. For second lens, we can consider I dash is the object and I is the image. So 1 by f2 equal to 1 by v. This is v. 1 by v minus 1 by u. U means v dash. If we adapt this, if we add these two, then what we will get? 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by v dash minus 1 by u plus 1 by v minus 1 by v dash. So this cancel. So 1 by v minus 1 by u. If we replace these two lens by a single lens, so that the final image is formed at point I, and the focal length of the single length is f. So what we can write in this case? So 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by v minus 1 by u. So from these two equations, say this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So from 3 and 4, what we can write? 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by f. This is the combination of lenses. Okay. For first lens, this is the image, this is the object. This is u and this is v dash. So we have got this relation. For second lens, this is object, that means v dash is object and this is these are thin lens. So we take from this is v, this is v. So 1 by v minus 1 by v dash equal to 1 by f2. Add this, we get this. And then now we are telling that we need a single lens. We need a single lens which will make the image of the object at point I, whose focal length is f. So in this case, what we can write? 1 by f equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. So from equation 3 and 4, what we can write? These two, you see, these two are equal. So 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by f. This is the combination of lens. Now you see, if the one lens is positive, concave, other is convex. Say f1 equal to f and f2 equal to minus f. Then what we will get? What we will get? 1 by f minus 1 by f equal to 1 by f. So this is 0. So 0 equal to 1 by f. So f equal to infinity. F equal to infinity. So focal length will be infinity. That means कि this lens combination act as the glass slab. This lens combination act as the glass plate. Glass plate. If we consider that one is, if we consider that one is concave lens, one is convex focal length f, other is concave, then what we are getting put here, 1 by f minus 1 by f equal to 1 by capital F. This is 0, so 0 equal to 1 by f. So what we are getting, f equal to infinity. So focal length will be infinity. That means कि this lens combination behaves as a plain glass plate. Plain glass plate. ओके, ठीक से पढ़ना, ठीक से पढ़ना, पढ़ने से फ्यूचर ब्राइट होगा. एंड बिकॉज दिस इज योर वर्क, दिस इज योर वर्क, बिकॉज वी आर हेल्पिंग यू, बट you have to study. If you study properly, your result will be good and your future will be bright. So properly पढ़ना, ठीक से पढ़ना, रिजल्ट अच्छा होगा, फ्यूचर ब्राइट होगा. ओके, बाय.